Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for another Market Outlook by Exness. My name is Stanislav Bernukov, Senior Trading Content Specialist here at Exness. And in today's video we are going to be checking on a possible trading idea for the week ahead, the narratives behind it, and which economic data could potentially affect this trade. But before we proceed, let's check on the performance of the last week's idea. So the idea was a buy for gold with a target price of around 4,150. The idea was correct and the market had almost reached the projected target. The price is slightly below and it's still in play. For this week, we are monitoring the idea from the US stock market. It's a potential long for CME Group stock with a target area around $290. It has rebounded from the 200-day moving average, the strategic support level, and may expand the bullish swing. From the technical point of view, the price of CME has broken through the upper border of the triangle and is moving for the 9th day in a row inside of the bullish wave, fitting into the overall recovery of the market and the financial sector in particular. The sentiment of the US stock market is slowly starting to improve as traders await for the government shutdown to be lifted. That's expected to be happening this week. Even though the market breadth is not very good, according to the Fear and Greed Index from the CNN, the financial sector has been sideways for several weeks, and should it start to recover, financial stocks might get a boost. The consensus forecast for the CME Group stock for the 12-month period is within a 283–288 range, so it has a potential to grow. Quarterly EPS has been growing consistently except for the last quarter, though the market had reacted neutrally on the decline, so the sentiment stays positive for the stock. Which economic publications can influence the price? The government shutdown in the US is still on, so if it will be lifted in a few days, the US inflation on Thursday would be the main publication for traders to monitor. So in summary, the idea for this week is a long trade for CME Group stock with a target of $290. It has broken through the triangle, having closed above the 200-day moving average. The expectation of the government shutdown to be lifted brings the new buying flows to the market. The US inflation on Thursday would be the main publication to monitor if the government shutdown will be lifted ahead of that time. Remember, this is not a signal, it's just the idea for a trade. It's not a guarantee of success. Always do your own research and never forget to manage your risk.